What's going on, guys? I'm out here back with the box. Got the passenger side header on. Got the dirty dingo engine mount sliders on. Even on the driver's side. So right now I'm just trying to get her back down. So once I get her back down, I can cut you guys back on. We can go from there. I got the steam line vent tube on. So I'm just ready to go on ahead and start putting stuff together and getting this wiring. I started some of the wiring on this side, the passenger side, on how I want it ran. So the wiring, like, this is where I'm starting at. So basically that's good to go. So now I'm just trying to get her back home, and going ahead and bolt the engine mounts back down and finish up some of the wiring over here maybe. I'm at a standstill with that, so I'll let you guys know why I'm on a standstill with that, and see you guys in a minute. Okay, what's up, guys? We're back. I'm just now wrapping it up with today. We got the dirty dingos on there, got the engine mounts on there. You guys might ask why I got the headers off. It was giving me a little trouble. So I'll get the headers back on tomorrow, but for the most part, got the wife out here with me. So got that one on there. So I'm pretty much wrapping up today. Pretty much done for. Got them both down there, so I'm done. Go ahead and drop it, sweetie. I don't even think it's got any tension around it, so that's just where I'm at with that. You good? Right there. Alright, so bear with me, you guys. Yeah, I'm done for the day though. I've been on this car all day, and it's beating me. So that's it for the day. But she looks dirtier after the day. It's kind of crazy because this engine was wanting to come up out of here, and so I literally had the engine like almost out of here. I was starting to get ticked off, and now everything's back where it should be. So I'm happy. Now it's all there's to is wiring, you know, and stuff like that. But now I can start running things, and I scratched that. I just love that. So yeah, that's what tomorrow. That's where I'm at tomorrow. I might just leave the hood off because I know I gotta come back tomorrow to do certain things. Just check and make sure that. Yeah. So for the dirty dingoes, I would say she's perfectly straight. Can't complain. So. Got a little playing to do down there on the transmission, but there you guys go. You guys see it. So I'll see you guys in a minute with the update. This was just showing you guys that I got the dirty dingos on there. I had the headers on there on both sides, but I have to get these dirty dingos on there first in order to install the headers. So alright, I'll see you guys in a minute. Alright, just to wrap up video live, I went on and put the driver's side header on so you guys can see there's plenty enough clearance. Again, like I said, and the engine mount is on there. Everything is sitting, so there's no issues with the steering shaft or anything like that. Drive passenger side, I have it just resting, so I'm gonna call it a day on the passenger. It gave me a little trouble fighting with it, so I had to, on the driver's side, passenger side, I had to bring it from the bottom, and I was able to fit it in there and stuff like that. So these headers are good, and like I said, I'm just trying to hurry up and finish up this swap, man. I got to do some wiring. I'm gonna locate the fuse block box right here, so I'm gonna have to hit the junkyard. That's another thing. I'm gonna have to hit the junkyard, get me some wires, so I can extend my wires out, so I can just rerun them, because I don't want it all out in the front like how it normally be. So I just want it a little bit cleaner and nicer. So clean up some of the wiring. So from over here, I started over here. From over here, now I have to work with that mess. But you guys will see that in another video. All right, I'm getting up out of here. I'll see you guys tomorrow.